Hi, we're going to talk about the IMAET system and its interface. Okay, the IMAET system has a full computer-human interface system, and it starts with this interface box. So in the back of the box we have these ports. This is the wire that goes to the computer, to the software, linked with the software. We can plug in different components to the interface system. First, let me show you, of course, the all-important head harness. So that the head harness plugs into this port right here. Just simply plugs in, tighten it up a little bit, and you're good to go. So the head harness has 8 contacts. It has 8 contacts. These 8 contacts interface with the meridians that come across the skull. So 4 of these contacts are in and 4 of them are out. In other words, 4 of them measure and 4 of them are therapeutic for output. So you can place this, of course, on a forehead, right? And you can also place it around a small child's trunk, or theoretically certain small animals, even though we recommend the pet pad for pets, because they can just lay on that, and it's a better setup. Okay, that's the head harness. Now the extremity harness is 4 contacts, 2 for the ankles and 2 for the wrists. Again, intercepting the meridians that come through the extremities. This one we will plug into this plug back here, like so. Okay, tighten it up a little bit and just fasten it around the extremities, and you're ready to operate. All right, so here's how you put the head harness on. We have the head harness, the 8 contacts. Keep the wire on the side of the box, and we're going to put them right over the forehead. There's one side that is padded and the other side has some Velcro. Put it just nicely like that. Now some people have a little tail here and stuff with hair, and you just have to be careful and put it over top. That's the head harness. Next, let's do the extremity harness. Okay, so we have 4 components. 2 go to the wrist. So you want to start on the wire side. Okay, the smooth side is touching the skin. So we'll put that down, really anywhere, and then just wrap it around right on top, but it's nice and snug, and it will lock in like this. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we'll start with the wire side, and wrap it around, and here's your little lock of Velcro, and it locks it in. Okay, now we're going to do the 2 ankles. Same thing, same length. You got to pull down the socket a little bit, and remember, we start the smooth side goes on the skin. We start on the wire side, go around, lock it in, and seal the Velcro. Same thing on this. You start on the wire side, come around, tighten it up, and lock it in. Now you're set to run the skin. Of course, you can do the same setup while laying down. Okay, so let me show you one more time how to put these things on quick and easy. Okay, so the smooth side goes onto the skin, and you want to start on the wire side because at the end of it there's this little Velcro lock. So the wire leaving towards the body, and start this way and just wrap it around like this, and then lock it in. That's it. Okay, you do that on all 4 extremity harnesses. So again, you can use the harness system in many different ways. You can do it prone, you can do it seated, of course. Okay, the only thing you need to do is decide on your strategy and then do the calibration. Okay, once you know how you're going to hook up the patient, then you can do the calibration. Whether it's a PET pad, whether you plug in the PET pad, or whether you do just the head harness or the full system, whatever other blanket or attachment you plug in to the interface box, do it ahead of the calibration. All right, and then you're all set to move on to your scan and then figure out a treatment.